Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok description or bio. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So obviously what we need to do is just go over on TikTok, and once we are on TikTok, we are going to click on the Me button on the bottom of our screen, which will take us to our profile. Here we can hit the Edit Profile button. And it should take us to a page like this. Here we're going to select bio, which is the third option. Once you've done that, it should open up our bio. I'm just going to delete mine so I can show you how you can make a new one. Here you can type in whatever that you want. You just need to keep in mind that it's a maximum of 80 characters. For example, I'm going to say hello, and I'm going to paste the link. Just hold and click paste the link to How to Socials video. And the only thing left for me to do now is just hit the save button, and as you can see right here, my description has now been updated. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.